Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Nurit and I'm speaking with you today from Budapest, Hungary. And I have three announcements. The first one is that Gabor and I have just started a new YouTube channel and all our future videos will be on it. And there's going to be lots and lots of videos coming. So I would highly recommend that you subscribe to the new channel. The information is here for you, so you can get notifications of all the new videos that will be coming out. You're welcome to keep looking at this channel as well if you already subscribed, because this will be the archive of all the videos. So if you ever get nostalgic and want to see a past video, it'll still be here. But I would highly recommend that you subscribe to the new one so that you will get notifications of any new video that comes out. And there'll be lots. The reason there'll be lots is actually it's a lead into my next announcement, and that is that Gabor is offering free online weekly satsangs every Sunday evening, and that starts at 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. UK time, 6 p.m. Budapest time, 12 noon New York time, and 9 a.m. Los Angeles time or California time. And we'd love to see you there. The satsangs we started them already, and you'll see the recent one is already on the new channel. They're very exciting, they're very powerful, because people ask very, very good questions. And when people ask more questions, they bring out from him answers that I've never heard. So all the videos from the satsangs will be on the new channel. However, I highly recommend that you join us live, because that will give you an opportunity to sit with us, to be with us. When we're all together in that forum, it's a lot easier to go within and really experience this teaching from a very deep level, and it also helps sustain it once you have that experience. So, and of course, you'll be able to ask questions and interact with everybody. So I highly recommend that. And to join, to find the information, the link to join and everything else, it's on the website called Tree of Silence. That is treeofsilence.com. So you can join us there. Now, the third announcement is also very exciting, and that is that Gabor and I will be in London in July. That's July 21st. It's a Saturday, and Gabor will do an intensive there. We're very excited about this intensive. The last intensive last year in London was very powerful, and everybody loved it. And this one is also going to be just the same, if not more. Since the last one, Gabor has developed a lot more techniques and exercises for us to do to help us go inside and stay there, and to help us integrate our lives into this new reality that we'll be experiencing in the intensive. And so please join us. It's a full day, and you will learn a lot, but you will also be. You'll have the wonderful feeling of being present with a beautiful group of people and with Gabor, and of course you'll be able to have your questions answered. And a lot more information about the intensive is on the website as well. And very shortly there will be a new video on the new channel where Gabor speaks about the intensive and about his teachings. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you to all those who've been loyal and steady with us throughout the videos in the old channel, and please come and join us in the new channel. Thank you very much. It's very easy to subscribe. I know you can do it. Thank you, and God bless.